Hello everyone. In continuation to the topic, what we are doing, analytical geometry, this is question 34. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the intersection of the straight lines 2x plus y equal to 8 and 3x minus y plus 7 equal to 0 and parallel to 4x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. So in order to identify the intersecting point, we will solve these two equations. This one we will consider it as 1, this one we will consider it as 2. So we will rewrite 1 to x plus y equal to 8. Second equation, we will write it as 3x minus y is equal to, minus y equal to minus 7. Now, by adding these two equations, 1 plus 2, we can say 5x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 5. When x is 1 by 5, then using first equation, we can say 2 into 1 by 5 plus y equal to 8, which means y will be 8 minus 2 by 5, which is 40 minus 2, which is 38 by 5. So therefore, the intersecting point is 1 by 5, 38 by 5. Now, the straight line parallel to this line, the straight line parallel to 4x plus y minus 11 equal to 0 will be of the form 4x plus y plus k equal to 0, where k is some arbitrary value. This line passes through the above intersecting point, that is 1 by 5, 38 by 5. That means we can substitute the values 4 times 1 by 5 plus 38 by 5 plus k equal to 0, which is 42 by 5 plus k equal to 0. That means k value will be minus 42 by 5. So the equation, therefore, the required equation of straight line is 4x plus y minus 42 by 5 is equal to 0. Now, taking 5 as the LCM, we get 20x plus 5y minus 42 is equal to 0. That is the required equation. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 35. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the intersection of the straight lines 5x minus 6y equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and perpendicular to the straight line 3x minus 5y plus 11 equal to 0. So first of all, the straight line equation passing through the intersection of the lines 5x minus 6y minus 11 equal to 0. I'm just bringing this 1 to the left-hand side. And 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 will be 5x minus 6y minus 1 plus lambda times 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now, we will simplify this. We may notice we will take all x as common. So 5 plus 3 lambda times x plus 2 lambda minus 6 times y. Means first I took this and this. So 3x, 5x. Here it is 3 lambda x. That's why I wrote 3 lambda. Then I took 2y minus 6y. But here 2y is having lambda. So 2 lambda minus 6 times y minus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Right. The straight line equation or the straight line is perpendicular to three x minus 5y plus 11 equal to 0. Since they are perpendicular, product of slopes, which means that product of slopes, which is m1, m2 should be -1. That means let us identify the slope for the first one, for this line 1 and for line 2. M1 will be minus of 5 plus 3 lambda divided by 2 lambda minus 6. That is your M1. And M2 from the second equation, we may identify that as 3 by 5 will be your M2. So now M1 into M2 will be 3 by 5 times 5 plus 3 lambda. Bring that negative sign in the denominator. It becomes 6 minus 2 lambda. Should be equal to -1. So that means let us multiply 15 plus 9 lambda divided by 30 minus 10 lambda is equal to -1. Cross multiplying, we get 15 plus 9 lambda is equal to 30 minus, sorry, this becomes negative. Means minus 30 plus 10 lambda. Now take that negative 30 to the left-hand side. It will become 15 plus 30 equal to 10 lambda minus 9 lambda, which is lambda. So lambda becomes 45. So our equation 1 will become 5 plus 3 lambda, 5 plus 3 times 45 into x then plus 2 times 45 minus 6 times y, and then minus 1 plus 5 times 45 equal to 0. So let us simplify this. This means 5 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13 x plus 90 minus 6 times y minus 1 plus 5 5s are 25, 2 5 4s are 20, 22 equal to 0. So we get 140x plus 84y plus 224 is equal to 0. We can simplify this. First, let us check whether it is divisible by 4. Yeah, we get 35x. This will be 4 2s are, 4 1s are 4. 56 equal to 0. Further, this can be simplified. I think everything is divisible by 7. 5x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 is the equation of the required line, the required straight line. That is the solution for this question.